In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different from my project pan. I wanted to get through this in a narration style where I just show you clips of the before and after, so let's get right to it. Paula's Choice Pore Normalizing Cleanser. I've done quite a number on this, where you can see my thumb has moved down quite a bit, and I'm quite happy about that. The cover is actually broken, which is annoying, but oh well. Pixi Beauty Peel and Polish. I've used this maybe 2 to 3 times this month, so not a lot of progress there. Although it should finish soon. I don't know. I just can't tell how much of it is actually used. Biologique Recherche P50W. I've used this quite a few times. I think that in the next month and a half or so it should be done. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. You can hardly tell, but I've gone, I would say, a little bit less than a centimeter down in this, and I'm quite happy with the progress. I have been using it in the evenings. Estee Lauder Nutritious Vitality 8 Radiant Moisture Cream. I have used this. I would say not every night because I don't sleep at home every night, but I've definitely done a number. Avène Thermale Smoothing Emulsion. I cannot see how much I've used in this, as I've said a million times, but I've used it I think about 4 to 5 times this month. Olay Age Defying Advanced Gel Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid. I've used maybe 3 times. As for the Biotherm Biosource Balm-to-oil makeup remover, I didn't use that much this month. I find I use more of it when I'm trying to break down heavier eye makeup, but if it's just for the face, I use very little. As for the Pixi Eye Zone Brightener, I am at the dot of the eye, so it has definitely gone up since last month, and I'm quite happy about that. I could have done better with the Juicy Couture I Am Juicy, but I kind of got bored of it for a while. It has definitely gone down since, and I'm confident that I will finish it in the month of August. IT Cosmetics CC Cream in medium. I maybe used this about 3 times. You have to take into consideration that I have a few foundations in my project pan, although that's not always the best idea. I do get bored of using the same foundations every day. Makeup Forever HD Pressed Translucent Powder. I do see the difference here. It's very minimal as it is with powder, but it's definitely getting there. Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Pressed Makeup. Did not use this that much this month. Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. Definitely used this, but not enough to make a dent in it, clearly. Highlighters are really hard to break through. NARS Madly Blush. Now, I don't actually see a huge difference here. I see the edges have gone down a bit, but not the actual size of the pan. I think I'm starting to plateau with this one. I don't know. I must have used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Makeup to go maybe 3 times this month, to be entirely honest with you. The lipstick in Rebellious Rose. Man, I maybe used this once this month, and it is my fault. It's my bad for adding it into this because it's not really a summer color. Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Palette. I didn't do that much with this month. Sorry. Oh my god. And last but not least, I actually misplaced this eye primer. And since I haven't been wearing that much eyeshadow, I haven't noticed that I misplaced it and neglected it. So there you go. That is my 7-month update. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope next month will be better. And I will see you in my next video on Tuesday or Thursday. Ciao, guys!